Hello and thanks for tuning in to your day weather video weather update for Wyoming for this Tuesday, January 26. Here are the weather highlights that we're watching. More settled weather is coming over the course of the next several days. This will be good news for Wyoming travelers. It'll be warmer, but it's going to also be windy. Winds by Wyoming standards won't be out of hand, but they're going to be pretty gusty along and east of the Continental Divide. Not very windy west of the divide, but this should lead to warmer weather. Snow does return to far western Wyoming Friday night and Saturday. We're going to have a very energetic Pacific jet stream come into the Rockies this weekend and next week, and it's going to provide for some very interesting weather and a return to winter weather conditions in the region this weekend and next week. But until then, we do get to enjoy some pretty decent weather considering it's January. Here are the latest forecast charts. Currently, this is our pattern. We generally have a west-to-east flowing jet stream wind across the USA. Still cold here in the east, but warmer Pacific air is coming in now, and this is going to lead to a general warming trend east of the divide. We get a Chinook as well. Now, looking ahead, by next Monday, you can see a big trough of low pressure gets carved out over the Rockies and the western states. This is going to open the door to Canada. This cold area of high pressure here settles south, and Pacific moisture is likely going to induce the development of low pressure in the Rockies late in the weekend and early next week here, and then this storm will head this way. So stock growers and travelers, later in the weekend and early next week, we need to watch out at least for the potential. The potential is there for a larger, slower moving winter storm in the region. We'll need to watch that carefully. Travel concerns, they're fairly minimal. Do watch out for areas of blowing and drifting snow along I-80 here and Interstate 80 between Laramie and Cheyenne. There'll be some areas of night and morning patchy fog in the Bighorn, Wind River, Green River Basin areas, parts of the Divide Basin as well. Night and morning fog. Otherwise, it's actually a dry forecast for the next few days here in Wyoming. Just watch out for those windy areas, some pockets of night and morning fog, and a few pockets of blowing and drifting snow. And where you get that blowing and drifting snow, some pockets of black ice nights and mornings, especially along the higher elevations of Interstate 80, will be something you'll want to watch out for. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. I'm DayWeather meteorologist Don Day.